11-1 Studio by Yosuke SAGOSHI Atelier in Toshima, Japan. 1. Outline/11-1 Studio. It is a renovation project of the ground floor, factory, office, garage, of the steel-framed three-story building, which was a factory and residence in a corner of the factory district in Ikebukuro, Tokyo, into a small complex consisting of an architect office, a share workshop, and a share cafe. And the architect himself will live in and operate it with the concept of alternatives to be shown in the future of regional commerce and industry. By renovating the garage with a wide opening facing the street where the town factories are lined up, adding an insulated concrete floor, an open kitchen and wooden sliding doors, it has been regenerated as a comfortable cafe/public space open to the street. In addition, the carpentry tools left in the factory were organized, and a share workshop was set up so that they could be used to make things. These share workshops and cafe spaces are used by the architect himself as part of the design office equipment, and at the same time, it is operated as open spaces in the area, connecting the user's manufacturing with the existing town factories in the area. Currently, many shopping districts and town factories have problems in business succession. In contrast to the current situation where there is no choice but to close the business and sell it as land if it is not succeeded, it will show an alternative that is not so, as an architecture in this place which has been a town factory itself. 2. Design and construction process to bring out local technology. From the beginning of the plan, we proceeded with the design with the policy of performing some voluntary construction, while separately ordering each process from the neighboring town factories. For the actual construction, the doors and the base frames are ordered to the construction shop nearby, the furniture to the facing furniture factory. The space created in this way is not only a regional exchange base, but also a regional, technical showroom. 3. Points of space design. 1. Continuity with the street, following the scenery of the city, which is the wide frontage of the town factories facing the street and the work that can be seen from there. The scenery where local people interact with each other appears in a continuous place from the street. 2. From the cafe space facing the street, by loosely partitioning making activities such as kitchens, workshops, design offices, etc. with transparent materials and furniture instead of partitioning with walls. The space was made to look seamless and coexist, making it easy to create co-creation between different activities. 3. Flexible plan. The cafe space and workshop can be flexibly switched and expanded/contracted from two-way as a place open to the area, and as a part of the equipment used by the design office. We tried to coexist well with exclusive use and shared use.